Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm gonna do an unboxing of something that I got for myself to use while I am in quarantine, out of state, and away from the craft lab. So I was looking for this item on Amazon actually, and I know Amazon is pretty swamped right now, so I decided to just do a Google search to see what else I could find. And I looked up and found something really interesting. Now I've opened the tape, but I haven't taken it out of the box yet. So this is what I got. This is a laminator, and last that I checked, the website mybinding.com has them for $9.99. So let's take a look inside. This is how it comes. It also comes with this, which is a carrier sheet. And who knew that you should actually be using a carrier sheet with laminators? I did not know that. They have a whole section on their website about how to use them. So I'll be checking that out, how to use them properly, things like that. So let me get it out of the box. So when it was shipped, it was also in a larger box, and the larger box is what had the carrier sheet in it. This box has, I think this is supposed to be 50 3mm, yeah, 50 pack of 3mm letter pouches. And what is this? Just a thank you, yes. Put that back in the box. And then here is the laminator. And what I like about this laminator is that it feeds straight through. It's not like a Scotch that comes down in an angle and then goes through. So it's more like my oldie but goodie Duck, I think it is, Duck brand. So this comes off like this. I'm keeping all the packing because I will be packing it up to take home. But this is what it looks like. So this is the front, I assume. This is what it looks like on the back. I guess this is the release for paper jam. I don't know. Cool setting 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go ahead and plug this up. Let's move the pouches out of the way. I'm going to plug it up and let it warm up, and I'm going to be reading the directions and information while that's going on, and then I'm going to come back and test it out and see how it works. Okay, so I'm going to be using the 3mm laminate, reading the directions. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on 3. So that's the setting I'm supposed to use for 3mm. So there's 3mm, 4mm, 5mm. I didn't know 4mm was a thing, but apparently it is according to the instructions. So again, I'm gonna wait and let this warm up, and I'll be back to test it out. I've read the instructions, and they say that there is no carrier page needed for this laminator, so I'm going to test it without the carrier page. I'm not sure why their website says that and why you get one free with the laminator, but let's just keep it moving. So again, these are 3mm laminate pouches. I already have my die cuts that I want to laminate. These are from Fabulously Creative. The website is thefabulouslycreative.com. You can use my code RACHFAB to save 10% off your order. And let's see how many of these we can get in here. I'm gonna turn her upside down. It's like a puzzle. So let's see. I don't know. I feel like I need something to help slide this through. So I'm going to lift it up with this and try to center it on here. I guess. There we go. So you need to remove it right away. I think it's really hot. I don't see any bubbling, any of the cloudiness other than this little area here, and that may be because I let it sit there too long before actually taking it out. Let's do one more and see what happens if I actually take it out. And basically, once you laminate and it's sealed, the clear, I'll show you. Okay. So this part of the laminate will not go to waste, even though there's nothing in here and it's going to be sealed. I can't use it to laminate again, but I can use this excess to make pockets, and I've shown how to do that in previous videos. I'll put a link in the iCard. Also, you can use it kind of like for whatever you use acetate for. So there's options. You don't have to just throw it away. You can actually use that. You could even make your own acetate, decorative acetate. I'll put a link in the iCard showing you how you can do that as well. So we got a little bubbling here, and I'm thinking that's because there's nothing down here as far as where it laminated over the die cuts. Everything looks good. I actually put these too close together, but I can cut around that. So all in all, so far it seems great. I'm gonna cut this off and run it through again just to see if it will get rid of the bubbles. Let's try to cut it as straight as possible, and let's see what happens. Usually with my other laminator, my old one, I let it warm past when the ready light comes on, just to make sure it's good and hot. This one, I waited a few minutes, but not very long after it beeped. It actually beeps when it's ready, and it's very loud. So, yeah, those bubbles aren't going anywhere, but it was worth a try. I think it looks a little bit better. No, it's the same. So, I don't know if that's the laminate or the laminator, or like I said, the lack of anything in it, but I'm satisfied with how it laminates. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description box where I got this, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm excited to put this to use. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can also find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!